Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn build a video recorder web app with the JavaScript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the basic CSS part that we are using. Okay, you can see now we have the div id app, then video id, button id of the start, record, stop, and the download. These are the buttons, okay, for the start, stop, and download the video. Let me close this part and let's go live. Okay, so this is gonna be the video recording. So default the camera. Okay, allow the camera, right? So it will give me the camera. Now we will do with the start recording. Okay, so start recording, and then we will go with the stop recording and download the video whatever we have done, and let's open it. And here you can see that the recording is done, right? So this is how the recording, how you can record the video. Okay, so let me close this and let's dive into the code level. Okay, so this is the div id where we have the play, inline, autoplay, start recording, stop, and the download. Then we have the, let's go with the get element by id video, start recording, stop, and the download. We get all the ids with the get element by id. Okay, then the media recorder recorded chunks. Okay, then start the webcam stream with the help of the get user media. So basically it's allow the access video to be true. If you want to make the audio to be true, comma with the audio to be true, right? Streaming the object, if something goes wrong in assessing the camera, then it will go with the error assessing the camera, right? Start the recording. So start recording button event listen. When we click on the start record button, this will function triggered and it will start recording. Okay, and then button handling, start record button to be disabled true, and start record button disabled to be false. Okay, this is start, this is stop recording button. Okay, then we have the down, this is done. Then we have a stop recording. So how you can stop the recording with the help of the media recorder dot stop, and then we will calculate the buttons, so which button to be disabled and which to be enabled. Okay, according to start button to be disabled false, stop to be true, and download to be false. Okay, then download the recorded video. Download button, add event listener, click. Okay, so here we can see that this is the function to download the recorded video. What we have do, so here we have generate the url, append the url, we have create the anchor tag and append the anchor tag into the body, and then perform the anchor tag click, then remove that anchor tag. Okay, and then handle the recorded data with the help of the handle data available. Even dot data size is greater than 0, then we are going to push the data into the recorded chunks. Okay, this is done. So this is how you are able to build a video recorder web app with the JavaScript. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.